Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, Hi Ali, hello. So looking for some advices. Welcome. Okay, so the advices are, I have a good impression, absolute top share percentage. The impressions are quite high, but I haven't got a click rate that kind of makes sense. I have a headline that nearly matches these keywords plus admission open in another word nearby it, which is decent enough. Any reason why this is going through? Am I missing something? Okay, if I look on your image, the image you have provided me, let me, go down and then, okay, so this is your first keyword, Montessori school, and you are getting 5.13% CTR. Fine. Montessori school near me, you're getting 7 clicks with 37 impressions, 18% CTR. That is fine. The third keyword, I do not know exactly where, but you're getting 14% CTR. It means that your click rate is fine. The only click rate which I'm lacking over here is on this. It just got 16 impressions, and you have 88.89% impression share. So that is, very less data. 16 impressions are very less to determine, sometimes it's Google reporting it late or not, so it happens. This could be another reason, which is why you are getting very less click through. But you know that the high click through rate is primarily associated with something very appealing ad. The ad plays a huge role in the CTR. Now if you're thinking that you have added the word targeted word in the headline and still you are not getting the desired CTR, I'm going to suggest you a few things. First of all, open this tool. This is a very famous tool which you can use for ad preview tool. It can preview your, so this is a kind of a normal ad people see when someone searches, but I recommend people, often recommend people to add extensions in the ad, because the extensions makes the ad stand out of the crowd. So your ad is missing extensions. If it is not being noticed by the audience despite having a good headline, it means that your ad copy is lacking the extensions. I'm going to show you a few of the extensions, and you can see that how appealing your ads can be with these extensions. For instance, if I add the location extension, you can see that it is getting attraction. If I add the advertiser rating, you can see that this is also getting attractive. You can see over here as well and here as well. You can see a call extension added the phone number, adds the phone number. And if you can add the price extension, that can stand you out. But you know that the price extension or promo deals, you can add the promo extension as well. It's not showing over here, but you can add it on the Google, and through that what happens is you can see a deal running right now, 10% off, 20% off, something like this. A side link extensions with showing more about your business could also be used. So in case if you want to increase the CTR on your ad, the best way to increase the CTR on your ad is to work with your ad extensions. You can see how structures, but different things can add on, and how it can increase. Even you can add these descriptions, and make it better. 50% off deal. Even you can write it over here as well in the side links, but I have recommend having the separate ad extension. Also work around on your headlines, descriptions. Look on what your competitors are doing. I also highly recommend you to work on, see on your competitors what kind of ad copies they are running, and if they are successful, they are for a reason. And if people are not clicking on your ad, it means that they are clicking on your competitor ad. It means that your competitor ad is more attractive. So look around why your competitor ad is more attractive than yours. Look around on these, and these are the few through which you can increase the CTR on your ad. So I hope this answers your question. So guys, but in case if you need a professional help with your ad copywriting, or in case if you need a Google Ads account audit, or in case if you need a Google Ads account optimization or a complete setup, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. And I hope this answers your question on how to increase the CTR of your Google Ads. But still, in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye bye.